Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram music no result found problem. Alright, now let's say you try to upload a music on your Instagram and like you search for the music over here and the music is just not found. The one reason could be that the music is not available on Instagram. So every single music of the world is not available on Instagram. Only the music which Instagram has made a deal with and like the creator has allowed for Instagram to use it can be used on Instagram story, or you can use. Alright, so if I can't find any music over here, it could be the reason that it's not available in Instagram. But the other thing could be like your account type could be the thing that's like limiting the songs you can use. Alright, in that case what you need to do is, before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step videos like this related with Instagram. Let's move on. You can click on a profile picture at the bottom of your screen. It's going to bring you over here on a profile. You can click on the three line at the top, go on setting, and over here go on versus account, scroll all the way down, and you can see where it says switch account type. Click on switch account type and it's going to give you this two option, and from this two option you want to click on switch to personal account. Now why you should switch to personal account is because in a business account and in a creator account you might be using it to get people or for like your personal use, for like promoting your video. That's why Instagram limits you from using some music. But let's say you're in a personal account. In a personal account you just post video, photo for like your personal reason. You don't do it for promoting it, right? That's why Instagram is gonna allow you to use every kind of music Instagram music library has. All right, so if you want to use all the music which Instagram library has, then you want to switch to a personal account, and on that personal account you can search for the music by going on story and it should be available over there. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your Instagram music no result found. And yeah, some music are only available in some countries. So let's say I live in Britain and you live in America. The music which is available in America may not be available in like Britain because it's only available in America. Alright, so you need to keep that in mind as well. Music also varies according to the region where you live. So that's basically how you guys can fix Instagram music not found. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. You're watching One to Step. Peace out.